Can you go? Good.
Oh, go get the golf ball.
Want to do it with this one? All right, come here.
Playing with Daddy's Father's Day present.
Go ahead.
Whoa!
Go ahead. Hit it. You want to use that ball? All right. Go ahead, let's see you do that.
Good girl. Where'd your ball go?
Julia.
It went out in the kitchen, honey.
Julia.
Daddy has another one. Go play golf with Daddy. Tell Daddy my turn.